Grand awakening, divine soul. Here with another amazing video today. And let's break this down quick. Not going to go too much details on it, but just want to show you how so above, so below. And it's one thing to be able to prove somebody's spiritual experiences. You know, you can't really do that right now. But what I can do is try to show you or influence you with a few things. So go ahead, take a look at this image right here. Yes, this is the scarab of Egypt. The reason why Egyptians had the scarab everywhere is because they were connected. At least they hid the knowledge from certain people, but they were connected to the sun, and the sun gave them information to be able to see that this life is nothing but a bunch of mirrors. Now look at this photo right here. We can see that the scarab and our skull are almost the same alignment. We can see now when we go even further and look at the falcon. The falcon here, right? Let's look at our third eye, and we can start to expose our third eye. Looks like a bird. Okay, so we know Egyptians were big about cutting people open and seeing their organs. So, they started figuring this stuff up and putting it all together. Take a look on these photos and generate an idea of who you are. One love, divine soul.